UFT One Batch File, formerly known as QTP Batch File, that is the topic of this tutorial video. UFT One Batch File, that is the topic of this tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will explain what is batch file, UFT batch file, what is UFT batch file, and I will give hands-on how we can create the batch file, UFT One Batch File, and I will run that batch file two different ways. One is using CMD, other one is using UFT Test Batch Runner. So this is the topic of this video. I will give hands-on in this topic. So welcome to this tutorial video. So what is batch file? The definition. A file with the file extension .mtb, that is batch file. M means Mercury, T means test, Mercury test, B means batch, Mercury test batch. That is the MTB. So a file with file extension .mtb which usually contain more than one UFT automation script is UFT One Batch File. So this file should contain at least two automation scripts. More is better, but at least two UFT or QTP automation scripts should be present inside of this file. Then only this file can be called as a batch file. Now I will create, so this is the definition that I have explained. Now this is what I will give hands-on. Create UFT One Batch File, that is what I will give hands-on. So this is the things I will be giving hands-on. Create UFT One Batch File. For that, I need UFT Batch Runner. So I need UFT Batch Runner. So I will open UFT Batch Runner. All programs. Sample. Here tools. And this is test batch runner, UFT One test batch runner or QTP test batch runner. So this is what I will be opening. Test batch runner is opened. Now I will add at least two automation scripts, two UFT One automation scripts. I will add in this. So I will load here and then I will save that as batch file. So I will load two automation scripts and I will load from folder. So add tests from folder. So I'm clicking here. It is present in this path. It is present in this path in my computer, in this computer. So there are total 8 automation scripts. 8 UFT1 or QTP automation scripts. There are total 8. From here to here, 8. So out of 8 automation scripts, I will choose 2. This automation script's name, GUI test 6. This is the name of this automation script. And so this is script I will be choosing. So I have chosen GUI test 6. That is the name of one automation script. So I'm clicking on OK. It has been loaded here. I will add one more. I'm adding one more. So I'm adding another automation script which name is GUI test 7. GUI test 7. I choose the folder. I'm clicking on OK. So two uh, two automation scripts has been added in this test batch runner. It says usually contains more than one. I could have many, but I just add two so that it matches this definition. Now, since I have added two automation scripts in the test batch runner, now I will save it, and I will save as .mtb file. Then that file will be the batch file. So I'm clicking on file, click on save as. Before saving, I will be choosing, by default it will be selected. Now file, save as, and I will say automation regression set. I just give a name. It could be any name. I just give a name, automation regression set. And I will save it. Save. Now that I have saved in that location, let me see if that is present in that location. I just created this file, automation regression set.mtb. This is the file I just created. So this file is the batch file. If I go to the definition, a file with file extension .mtb which contains more than one automation script, more than one UFT automation scripts or QTP automation scripts. So this file I just added, this file's name is .mtb, and it has two automation scripts. That means more than one automation scripts added. Now that I have saved it, I'm closing the batch file. I'm closing the batch runner. I'm closing the batch runner. So file is present in this location. C clone slash automation. In this location, this file is present. So I have given hands on how to create batch file. This is what I have given hands on. So I will be changing the color to green so that I can claim I gave hands on example on this topic. Now I will execute it. I will execute using CMD. I will be executing with CMD. It has one rule that UFT1 IDE must be open before running the test batch file. So I will run from CMD. This is what I will be giving hands-on. So I'm making it bold so that I can tell that this is what I will give hands-on now. Before running, let me open the UFT first. Minimize this. I'm opening UFT. Opening UFT IDE. This is called UFT One IDE. And I'm choosing all the add-ins which are available. Click on OK. Two scripts I have added. One script will open Notepad and see what is written inside, and then write my name. Since I have added two scripts, I explain those two scripts, what those two scripts does. So I'm opening automation script which name is GUI test 6. This is the name of one automation script. So I'm opening this automation script. A script is loading. So script 6 will open my flight application. A script will close if any my flight application instance is open. Then it will launch a new my flight application. Then a script will log in after entering user ID and password and clicking on login. After login, a script will highlight in hello button and then close it. This is what a script will do. A script will open my flight sample application. So I'll be opening my flight sample application manually. I'm opening manually. I'm showing manually what a script will do, so that when I will run two scripts at a time using CMD, then we will know what the script is doing. So a script will open my flight sample application. It will write John in this field, HP in this field. Click on login. After login, script will highlight this hello button and then close the script. This is script 6, automation script 6, a script which name is GUI test 6. GUI test 6, that is the name of the automation script. Now I will open another automation script. I will open another automation script which name is GUI test 7. Another automation script is opening. So what this script does, a script will close if any notepad is open. If any notepad is open, a script will close first when this line executes. Then a script will open a file which is present in this location. And then a script will write my name. After writing my name, a script will close the open notepad which is open, and then it will launch again so that I can see. So what is the script will do? What I'm manually doing, that what a script will do. A script will, this is the notepad file. Imran is the name of the notepad file. So a script will open. My name is written so many times, I'm deleting right now everything. So a script will open and see how many times my name is written, and then a script will add my name one more time. If it is right now my name is not written even one time, so a script will write my name one time. If my name is written one time already, a script will write one more time. So that is what a script will do. A script will open this file and see. A script will not do something else. It will open so that I can see what is written here, and then a script will write my name. It will write MD Shahajada Imran. The script will write my name, which I will not see on this open window. So a script will write my name in that file. So a script will close the current window and load this file again. Once it loads, and then I will be able to see. So that is what a script will do. Now that I know what those two scripts are doing, now I will be running from CMD. This is what I will be doing. I will be running from CMD, and rule is UFT must be open. UFT IDE must be open. So UFT IDE is open. Also, one automation script is loaded in UFT IDE. So I will remove that. This automation script named GUI test 7, it is open. Just to be in the safe side, I will remove it. I'm removing the loaded file, loaded automation script. I'm removing it. So only IDE open, UFT1 IDE is open. No script, no automation scripts are loaded. IDE is open, but automation scripts are not open. So UFT is open, automation scripts are not loaded in it. That is the first condition. It has only one condition, that UFT IDE must be open. So it is open. Now I will be running from CMD. This is the command prompt, or I can, in the search, I can write CMD. CMD will come up here. Now I will be moving to the left side so I'll be able to see. Now in the command to run this batch file, I will have to give a command. The command is UFT batch runner, UFT batch runner cmd.exe. That is the command I will have to write, and I will have to also specify the path. I will have to write source here, and then path of the batch file. Batch file is located I'm navigating to the batch file so that I can collect the path. Batch file is located in this location. This is the name of the batch file. This is the name. Automation regression set.mtb. So if I click here and backslash, and I can write automation regression set.mtb. This is the path. Automation regression set. Hope I did not make any typical mistake while writing the name. Automation regression set mtb. So this is the file path. So I will be copying it. Control C from the keyboard. So I copied the path. Now I will be pasting this path on the CMD. Right click and paste and double quote again. So this is what I have written. This is the command UFT batch runner cmd.exe and then dash source sourc source and the path. And I have collected the path of the batch file. This is the batch file with .mtb extension. So I collected the path of the batch file and I pasted here. Now I'll be entering from the keyboard. I'm hitting enter key from the keyboard. So I am I entered it. Now it is saying automation script with name GUI test 6 will be loaded. I'm closing this folder explorer so I can see what is going on in the script. The script will load. It is saying automation script GUI test 6 will be executed. So a script will load the automation scripts with name GUI test 6. Let me see if it opens. It did. It did. Automation script 6 is opening. It is opened. So it now automation script which name is GUI test 6 which will be running. So automation script which name GUI test 6 which is running. A script opened my flight sample application. A script should enter user ID and password in the user ID field and password field. It did. It entered John in the user ID field. It should enter HP in the password field and click on login. It clicked. Therefore, a script application GUI AUT application under test which has been logged in. Now it will highlight the hello text. It should highlight this hello text. This text. I put some synchronization time, so a script will wait before highlighting. It did highlight it and close my flight sample application, which is the application under test AUT. Right now, it should tell the path where the script execution result will be saved. It loaded. It will be loading the other script to the command. It did set the path. And right now it is loading automation script which name is GUI test 7. It is loading. It's not loaded yet. Once it is loaded, I will see it's loaded now. Once the automation script which name is GUI test 7 is loaded, a script will then run the automation script. The batch file will run the automation script. So it opened the notepad window. My name is not written. It closed and it wrote my name now, and it will close again. And here it will also show the similar path where the automation script execution result file will be saved. If I go to the CMD, I will see it is saying in this path the result file is stored. If I navigate in this path, I will see this automation script execution result. So I have run the batch file. That batch file contained two automation scripts. Both are run one by one. So I can tell that this one I have give hands-on example. So I have showed hands-on how to run the batch file which has more than one automation script using CMD. And I will also run using UFT Batch Runner. So I will be closing CMD. I do not need CMD. Closing CMD. Now I will be opening UFT Batch Runner. Test Batch Runner. UFT Batch Runner, also known as QTP Batch Runner, QTP Test Batch Runner. So it is UFT One Test Batch Runner. Now that this window open, I will load that batch file. What is the name of the batch file? Automation regression set, and that is located in this path. That is located in this path. C colon slash automation slash, and then automation regression set .mtb. This is the file. So I will load this file in batch runner. This is the batch runner. Batch runner is empty. So I will load. I will say file open, and I will load the .mtb file. The file that has file extension .mtb. A name is automation regression set. That file I will load. So I clicked on file and then clicked on open. It should ask for path. Let me see what happens. Yes, it is asking me to choose the path. Now that is located in this direction, C clone automation. So I would be going computer C, and then automation testing, and then this is the file. So I am choosing this file, select this file, click on open. It loaded here. Now I'll be choosing both because I want to run both. Now if I click on run, it will run automation script which name is GUI test 6, which will be execute first, and then this one will be execute. So I'm clicking, and before that, so this is what I'm showing. This is what I am showing hands-on. So running the batch file using UFT test batch runner. So this is the UFT test batch runner. I have loaded the batch file with file that has file extension .mtb, which name is automation regression set, that I have loaded in the test batch runner. I have chosen both, and it has some rules. Rules is UFT IDE must be open. Is UFT IDE open? Let me close this. UFT IDE is open. This is the UFT IDE. If I minimize, this is UFT IDE, UFT HP Unified Functional Testing. This is the UFT IDE. So first rule is UFT One IDE must be open before running it from batch runner. Second condition is no test should be open in UFT IDE. Right now, one test is open. The automation script, which name is GUI test 7, that is open in UFT, but rules is no test should be open. So I have to remove it. Whatever automation script is loaded in the IDE, that I have to remove. So I'm selecting the automation script, right click and remove from solution. Yes. So right now it is matching the rules. Both rules has to be true. So UFT one must be open and there should not have any automation script loaded in it. So UFT is open, UFT IDE is open and no automation scripts are loaded. Now if I run it, it should run one by one. So it should run this script first and then this script first. Let me see what happens. Uh, Automation, let me see what happens. I'm clicking on run tests. It says status got changed. It is saying working on it. So script will load automation script 6 now in IDE. Automation scripts which name is GUI test 6, which will be loaded now, and then it will be executed. Right now, this one is status is this symbol means it is working on it. The automation script has been loaded in IDE, UFT IDE. If I move this to little bit, then I will have more view to see what is going on. Right now, automation's script which name is GUI test 6, which is running. And that script open my flat sample application. And the script will enter user ID, password, and click on login. I put, I believe, 7-second synchronization time. So script waited 7 seconds before entering user ID and password. Now a script will highlight the hello text. I just needed two automation scripts to demonstrate. I just picked these two automation script. A script will highlight this hello text. I put some synchronization point. That is why a script paused in this step. Now a script, this is done. Automation script which name is GUI test 6 execution is done. So now automation script which name is GUI test 7 will be loaded first in IDE, then it will be executed. It's so automation script which name GUI test 7 has been loaded in the UFT IDE. It has been loaded. Now it will be executed. So it will open that notepad window. My name is written one time, so it will add one. It will close And then when it loads this file again, I will see my name is written 2 times. Now I am seeing my name is written 2 times, and it will close again. That is automation script, which name is greatest 7. Script execution done. The batch execution done. It also show the time when this tool got executed, and also the path where the script execution result are located. So I gave hands-on example on these 2 topics as well. Then I can claim that everything that I said that I will be covering in this tutorial video, I have covered. So thank you for watching this tutorial video.